Breaking news coming in. Twitter India claims verified tick removal due to long gap in login. Twitter India claims verification being restored. Government sources say matters under observation as Twitter action involves senior constitutional functionary. That's the latest coming in at the moment. Twitter has given out this particular clarification, going on to say that the verified tick was removed due to long gap in login. Rahul Srivastava now joins us for the very latest. Rahul, there are many people who do not log in for a very long period of time. Does this mean their verified ticks are going to go away by that logic? They are claiming they're restoring it, but again, you're talking about not just any handle, you're talking about a senior constitutional functionary here.
Yes, Shweti, that's why there are red flags being raised as far as the government is concerned. What we are told that the Vice President's office got in touch with Twitter India, and they were told it is because of certain algorithms that if somebody does not log in for 6 months or so, then the verification tick goes away. But what is being flagged here is that, say, Mr. Ahmed Patel of the Congress party, a senior leader, passed away some time ago. His blue tick is still there. Arun Jaitley, senior BJP leader, ex-finance minister, he passed away some time ago. His blue tick is still there. Sushma Swaraj, several people who have not operated their accounts, it has not happened to them. How is it that Twitter India does not even monitor that Mr. M. Venkaiah Naidu may not have operated his personal account, but he is the second senior most constitutional authority in the country, and removing a blue tick from his account should need certain amount of due diligence. And that is why what sources are telling us that the government is watching the situation very closely, and in case the restoration of the verification tick as far as Mr. Venkaiah Naidu's personal account is concerned is not done soon, Twitter India will be hearing from the government of India.
Absolutely. Rahul, thanks so much for bringing our viewers up to speed with the very latest details right there. Rahul Srivastava with a perspective and, of course, information on Twitter India's statement after row over Venkaiah Naidu's account. His blue tick just got taken off from one of his accounts. One has been restored. Twitter's come out with a clarification, but unconvincing, rather, for the government authorities and for many others too. They've gone ahead and said that the blue tick has been removed because of the long gap in login, which is not sounding very satisfactory to the government.